Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up AWS Glue for automated data cataloging, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Glue service from the console homepage. In the Glue dashboard, click on Get Started to create your first crawler. Choose the option to create a new crawler. Provide a name and description for your crawler. Select the data store you want to crawl, such as S3, JDBC, or other sources. If you choose S3, specify the S3 paths where your data resides. Configure the crawler's IAM role to grant necessary permissions for data access. You can either create a new role or select an existing one. Set up the crawler's frequency by choosing between Run on Demand or Schedule. If scheduling, specify how often the crawler should run, such as daily or hourly. In the next section, define the database where your catalog data will be stored. You can select an existing database or create a new one. Review the crawler configuration and ensure everything is accurate. Once reviewed, click on Finish to create the crawler. Now, navigate back to the Crawlers section and select your newly created crawler. Click on the Run Crawler option to start the process. Monitor the status in the console until the crawler completes its run. After it finishes, head over to the Data Catalog section to check the results. You will see tables created from your data sources, along with metadata. Optionally, you can refine the data classification by editing table properties. Now, to set up an ETL job, go to the Jobs section in the Glue dashboard. Click on Add Job to create a new ETL job. Specify a name and select an IAM role that has appropriate permissions for the job. Choose the script source, either by using the Glue Studio or a custom script. Select your data source from the data catalog you just created. Determine the target data store for the ETL output. Configure the transformation logic using either visual or code-based methods. Once the job configuration is complete, save and run the job. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.